Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine so you work safely. This prevents short circuits and accidental starts. Once done, remove the needle, presser foot, throat plate, and bobbin case to expose feed dogs and the bobbin area. Make sure to note screw locations or photograph them for reassembly. Use a lint brush and a small screwdriver to clear loose fibers first. This step gives you room to see deeper grime and prevents pushing debris into mechanisms. Next, attack the internal areas with care. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge dust, directing air away from sensitive electronics and oil ports. Then gently wipe the hook race and visible gears with a lint-free cloth. Remove hardened lint using a soft pick. Once clean, apply a drop of sewing machine oil to moving metal-on-metal points and a thin film of manufacturer-recommended grease to gear teeth. Make sure to rotate hand wheels slowly, while oiling so lubricant spreads evenly. Finally, reassemble the machine in reverse order, ensuring each screw and part seats correctly. Don't over-tighten, feel is key. Thread the machine and run several test stitches on scrap fabric while watching tension and listening for unusual sounds. If stitching looks uneven, make small tension adjustments and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear grinding or skipped stitches after cleaning, immediately stop and recheck bobbin case seating and timing. Debris or an out-of-place gear is usually the culprit, and correcting that solves most post-clean issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.